This video will demonstrate PWM pulse width modulation based on an Arduino Uno. Hi there. In this short project, we're using an Arduino Uno to demonstrate pulse width modulation, or PWM, to control the brightness of the LCD backlight. PWM is how we make an LCD or display backlight appear dimmer or brighter, not by changing the voltage, but by switching it on and off really fast. The ratio of on time to off time is what we call the duty cycle. Let's take a look at the code. First, we declare construct integer dpin equals 9. This line tells the Arduino that our backlight is connected to digital pin 9. Pin 9 is one of the Uno's special PWM pins. Next, inside the setup function we use pin mode, LED pin output. This sets that pin to output mode so it can send voltage signals. Serial begin 9600. Start serial communication so we can watch brightness changes in the serial monitor. And finally, serial.println, PWM demonstration starting. Just prints a friendly message to confirm that our demo is running. Now, inside the loop function we create a smooth fade effect. The first for loop increases the brightness from 0 up to 255. Each step writes a new PWM value with analog write, LED pin, brightness. This is the magic function that sends a series of quick on and off pulses to control brightness. We also print the current brightness level using serial.print and serial.println, so you can watch it rise in the monitor. A short delay, 10, adds a 10 millisecond pause between each change, making the fade nice and smooth. The second for loop does the same thing in reverse, bringing brightness back down from 255 to 0 for a gentle fade out. Finally, delay, 500, adds a brief half-second pause before starting the cycle again. When you upload this code to your Arduino, you'll see the LCD backlight gradually brighten and dim over and over again. That's PWM in action. Simple, elegant, and incredibly useful whenever you need to control brightness, speed, or intensity with precision. Here you see the IDE, the design environment, downloading to the Arduino. Now looking at the IDE serial monitor, we can see the code setting the values for the backlight dimming by PWM. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a look at the final result. The LCD backlight smoothly fading in and out.
Thank you for taking the time to view this video. I hope you found it useful. For more Arduino tips and tricks, go to leebinder.com/Arduino. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. In the comments, let me know if there is some other code you would like explained. Thanks again and be well.